in this window we can see three machines. This is machine 1, and this is machine 2, and this one is machine 3. In machine 1 we have two interfaces, ETH0 and ETH1. This ETH0 is belongs to VSID 100, and this one is belongs to VSID 200, and our DPDK will run here in machine 1 as well as here in machine 3. This machine 2 we will means it will act as a router to forward IP packets. We have another machine VM4, we will see later about that one. Now we have two cases. First one is ping between two interfaces which are in same VSID. It expected to work. And another case is ping between two interfaces which are belongs to different VSIDs. So it expected to not work. Now first we need to start DPDK in machine 1. We can see port statistics here. These are statistics of DPDK in machine 1. Now I am going to start DPDK in machine 3 also. Here also port statistics are there. These port statistics are for DPDK in machine 3. Now I am start pinging from this interface. Means ping between two interfaces between VSID, that is case 1, between same VSID, that is case 1. Now I am start pinging. Now I am start pinging. Ping started. You can see packets going. You can see packets here and here also. These are belongs to VSID 100. Now I'll start this one. Now here packet is sent from this machine to DPDK, means this interface, from this interface to this DPDK. In this DPDK we are encapsulating the packet with nvgre header and IP header and Ethernet frame header, and send it to this machine 2. Now you can see that packet in encapsulated packet in machine 2. These three, Ethernet 2 and IP and ICMP, these three are in original packet. After that we are encapsulating with this GRE and IP and Ethernet 2 in DPDK. In this this GRE header we can see this 64, means hexadecimal 64 means 100. This is VSID, means VSID 100. So as expected it is working. That packet is decapsulated here, and that original packet will send it to VM4. We can see that original packet here. You can see this original packet, means no GRE header and IP and outer Ethernet header also not there. This is the original packet. It reached to VM4. Now we finished with that case 1. Now coming to case 2. This case 2 is ping between two interfaces which are belongs to two different VSIDs. It is expected to not work. Let's start pinging. Now I am start pinging. We can see ping is not working. So the packet VSID is 200 is dropping in nvgre, means in DPDK. So as expected, case 2 is not working. So this is case 2. Thank you.